Hey guys, welcome back. This is the third video for my Toyota repair. We got the first two videos up. If you guys haven't seen those, go back and watch them. The first video recap is we got the old parts removed. They all had the damage on there. We cut them out. The second part, we had the new core support with the apron. We dry fitted onto the truck. We had the fender set up. We put the hood on there, the grill, and we just checked the alignments to make sure the gaps are pretty close to what they need to be. And in this third video, we're going to be starting to take all the parts off, take the fenders off, the grill, and we're going to tack weld the core support with the apron onto the truck, so that way it's 100% secure to the body, and then we'll go from there. We got to start assembling, and we got more things to do, but let's do what we can today, and then we'll go from there. Let's get to it. Alright, core support is installed, looking good. Put on the fender for now. This one's going on next. Gonna have to start fitting everything. Everything's looking straight. Put some primer in the areas where we had to grind, that way we're not getting any rust. I will be applying a seam sealer in the back there a little bit later, but I don't have that now, and it's going to be coming here in a couple days. So once it gets here, I will apply that. You can see all the areas that I got welded, tacked, and ready to go. Everything's looking good, and we have to go from there. So fenders, grill, lights, action. Let's get back to it. All right, fenders are set. See these gaps. It's looking good. Pretty much got it dialed into where it needs to be. So now that that's done, next thing is going to be to start swapping out old parts to the new core support, and that is going to be some fun. Let's get started. I'm going to pull this thing out of here. Let's see if I can do that. All right, now that that's lined up, got to swap out all the parts off of here onto the truck. That should be fun. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in, watching my videos. I appreciate it. This is as far as we got the progress. We got the core support welded on, the fenders on there. Everything's lined up, looking good. A little bit of adjustments here and there, but everything's basically in place where it needs to be. So I don't have enough time to finish everything else today. Hopefully we'll come back next weekend and get things wrapped up. We don't have a lot more left. We're more than halfway there. The only part that's left is putting back things where they're supposed to be. So hopefully we'll finish it up and get this thing back on the road. And if you guys like, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the little bell button to get a notification as soon as the videos comes up. You guys are the first ones to see them. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below, and see you guys next week. Have a good one. Almost forgot, cleanup time.